Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram not updating to latest version. If you wanna all this latest thing on your Instagram and you don't have these things, so just go for your Play Store first and search for your Instagram and update your Instagram if it's available here. So I have already did it. Then go back settings, go for apps and notification. Now here search for your Instagram here. Otherwise just go for here from this list and click on Instagram. Go for storage and cache. You need to clear your all cache from here. Then do this force stop and go back to your Instagram, and hopefully it's now your problem is now you can fix it your problem now. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.